Alright guys, right here on our 1960 Ford Fairlane Lowrider project, I want to show you guys on here real quick about scraping glass with the razor blade. Now this isn't something you're generally going to have to do on like your daily driver car. It really happens from like sap or other things getting on your windows, and they're just really hard to remove. So this is obviously 1960. It's probably been sitting for 40 of the last however many years. So what we have is this buildup, okay? You can see it on there. Right? That doesn't rub off. You can see the buildup on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to razor blade scrape it. Now, you need a razor blade. This isn't a brand new razor blade. I could walk up there and get a brand new razor blade. But honestly, I'm doing this for showing purposes. And I'll come out here later and razor blade scrape the whole thing. Now, you could come out here with a scrub pad and water and scrub and scrub and scrub. And just remember, scrub pad is abrasive. Okay? The goal here is to take something like a razor blade, which should not have any abrasion on it, shouldn't have any burrs on it, nothing like that. Put it on that window down to the glass, which also should not have any major imperfections in it. If it has a chip, I mean, that happens. The water here is acts as a lubricant and something to carry the dirt away, or to get underneath that dirt as you pick it up. You can do this on a dry window. It just, I mean, here. You can see, we could scrape it. See all this gunk that builds up? Okay. That's why we're going to use the water. The water is going to help all that go away. So, get you some water right here. Got a little cup of water. Just going to splash it up on there, okay? I want to get water up here, and that can move on its own, okay? Take this razor blade. Now you're going to want to set it flat, a little bit of angle to it, and scrape. Okay? You can see we're scraping it up. You can see, as we get up there, that dirt stain up there. Now, if we went this way, you could push that dirt down. You want to do quite a bit of overlap here. I almost want to say like 75% overlap, and that's just because the curve of the window means that when you press, like if I come up here and I press and I scrape, you can see I'm getting more up there, kind of thins out here, come down, it thins out more, okay? And that's just because of the curve of the window. So what we're going to do, get some water up here and just continue to move. You're going to keep it moving. You don't want to press in hard, but I mean, I got pressure here, okay? Some decent pressure, and you want to keep a nice angle on it. Now, if you start to get up on edge, you're going to know it, okay? You're going to feel it want to kick out of your hands. So just rinsing it off. So keep a nice, a little bit of pressure, a little bit of angle. We're just going to be moving it, okay? Now, you get up near your seals. If your seals are good, I mean, mine are old and crusty, don't be cutting into your seals, okay? So when you get up here, take your time, okay? I'm just going to do some of this real quick. I mean, you're seeing it in real time. I'm not speeding this up at all. I'm not going to skip anything around. I want you guys to see exactly what is going to happen just from the razor blade and nothing else, okay? Going in different directions. That's going to help me get around these curves. It's going to help me move a little bit, okay? You can see, look, right here's a dirty spot. See if we can focus. Cleaner, dirtier, okay? You're just going to go down it. Okay, we'll come across it. Okay, we're going to keep moving. Okay, you can take all this if you want, all this gunk, flick it in the ground, or rinse it off in your cup. You want to keep things clean. You want to keep things sliding nice. Sliding easy. Now, this car ain't been on the road since I bought it, and that's been quite a few years ago, and by the condition everything's been in, the engine and the interior and everything else, it ain't been on the road in a long time. My goal is we're restoring it, well, not restoring it, we ain't restoring nothing. We're doing essentially a daily driver resto rod, okay? I want something I can jump in and go enjoy, and take down to get ice cream, and take to the store if I need to run to the store, and beat up and enjoy and drive around. Okay, I'm going to get a little further over soon. Here we go, going into uncharted territory, okay? Okay, going all around, come on. Okay, we're up to 4.5 minutes on this video. Take this water here, and I'm just gonna, woo! Okay, I'll splash the other part too, just so you know that I ain't only splashing the clean part here, okay? So, I'll take my hand, I'm just gonna wipe down. Because, you know, we rinse that inside the water there. Look, I can go across this dirty part. You can see some of it's dirt, some of it's not, okay? That's what we're looking at. So, over there, untouched. Over here, rubbed with my hands, you can still see the particles in there. Some of it's coming off. That's wonderful. I would love if we could just wash all of it off. But we're out here to show you guys about razor blading. So if I come over here, take my shirt here, don't wipe it, get it a little dry. Now again, this is a dirty window on the inside, dirty window on the outside. But you can absolutely see, there ain't nothing on the outside of that window. Okay, if I get down here, there ain't nothing on the outside of that window. Now obviously if you try to do this on the inside, you're going to have to worry more about that curve. That's always going to be a difficulty. But the main reason you're going to do this is to get things like sap off of those windows, okay? And you can 100% see the difference between over there, here, where it's already been wet. I mean, this is wet, and this is wiped with my hands, and you can still see the stuff on there. And over here, it is crystal clear, okay? So this is how you razor blade a window. It'll work better if you use brand new razor blade, okay? It's an old razor blade that was in one of my knives, and I was taking it out to throw it away. Figured I'd show you on a video quick. So, yeah, get out there and do this. Okay, get out there and make your windows look nice. If you're parked under trees, you're going to get this, even on your newer stuff. And if your car's been sitting a while, you're going to get this, okay? You can see right here, side window. This doesn't get as much gunk as the back, because it's on an angle. Side window, you can't really see through it. Come over here, looking at the same stuff, you can see through it fine, okay? So get out there, build cool things. If you want to check out the rest of this project, this is a 1960 lowrider that we're building. 1-year production car, very rare. The only reason we're going to cut it up and slam it down and do all these other crazy things because it is in rough condition. But that's why it's great for the videos like these, right? Because I can show you how much better you can make your car look on a budget. So get out there, build cool things, ask questions in the comments if you need to, and most importantly, have yourself a good day.